So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're doing a SFX card look. As y'all can see, I got some fresh cards, a fresh deck of cards to play some spades, you know. But anyways, I'm just trying to see where I want to place these cards at, on my face, my forehead, my side, my cheeks. I don't really know. Like, I'm just, with this look, I just was freestyling the look. I didn't have any certain look in mind. I just wanted to know, was the cards gonna stay? So now that I have the placement that I want to do, I'm just gonna cut the cards up one by one and just glue them, well, place them where I want them to be. So I'm using my scar wax, and I'm gonna leave that in the description box below. I haven't used that in a long time, but as y'all can see, I have to scrape and use the strength of my nails to kind of get it out. But usually when you buy this, it comes with like a scraper. It comes with a scraper where you can scoop it out properly instead of using your nails, so you wouldn't, damage your nails or anything. Ooh. Y'all, this is the liquid latex. This video going a little fast, but this is the liquid latex, and that is like a adhesive whenever you place something on your skin. If you want something to stick, it's just a liquid latex. And this is the flesh color, because when it dries like your skin. So now that I have that dry, I am rolling up my scar wax, and I'm just gonna place it on my forehead. I'm just molded it into like a roll, but then I'm gonna flat it because I want it to look like it's going into my skin. Now that I have the scar wax placed on my forehead, I'm just going to use the card that I cut to just push it on. Really? But yeah, this is after I put it in. Look at my daddy, y'all. He always want to be a part of something. So and then when he do it, he be like, cut me out. Nope, you stand in it. I'm gonna show the people how you bother me. But anyways, now I'm taking the liquid latex and I'm putting it on the card, and I'm just gonna place it again on my forehead so it can dry. I'm using my blow dryer because I want it to dry fast. I'm not about to sit up that whole new damn card on my forehead and let it dry like that. So use your blow dryer if you have to. It's getting somewhere. So now I'm using the same liquid latex and the same method on this side of my face. And on the other side, I'm just going to build it. I just wanted to see if I can build skin with my, not with mine, but with some paper towels. And y'all going to see how I'm going to build the skin on this side. Okay, so now I'm going to build my skin on side of my face. First, I have a paper towel, and I should have dampened it, but me so eager just to do it, I just put the paper towel on, and then I use the liquid latex to let it sit so it can dry and give it that skin-like look. So as y'all can see, I did have a spray bottle on standby because I knew I would have to dampen the paper towels to give it that skin-like look. And then after the liquid latex dry, I got my scissors, and then I proceeded to cut a line across to make it look like on the side of my face is cut. And then after, I'm just going to place the card in place where that cut was made, and I'm just gonna apply it, well, kind of where it fits. I did do off camera, well, cut a little bit more and added liquid latex to the card so it can stay on side of my face. So that's why I had to use my blow dryer, because the water and the liquid latex was not bonding. But me being me, it's gonna work my way in my favor. It's gonna stay. Now that everything is in place, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is adding the makeup. I did my eyebrows off camera just to make it look a little clean, but I still want the look to look scary, but not too scary. So I'm just blending out this concealer underneath my eyebrows. But the next step is to make this look come together, like add the makeup and stuff like that. Now I'm using my foundation to cover up where any parts of the scar wax and the paper towel is at, just to give it that skin-like look. And then I'm just going to go use my palette and just start blending them shades out. And I'm real good at shading and stuff like that. That's like my strong suit. In the previous videos, I told y'all I really like to mix colors and things like that. But I'm not going to do too much talking because I just want y'all to watch what I do. Okay, y'all see it coming together. And now I'm just using my Morphe palette to go ahead and start adding those bruise-like looks and just adding some color. moving on to the blood. This is my favorite part. Like, I love blood. I love all the gory and stuff like that. But now I'm about to apply the blood on the cards and where the cuts at. And I'm going to leave everything in the description box because this blood was very realistic. And I give it a 10 out of 10. I'm going to create like 2 more looks, hopefully. It'll be posted before Halloween, if not after. But I definitely going to make more videos on Halloween looks. Now that I have applied the blood, I'm going to use a Brillo pad. Well, these sponges that you use to wash dishes with, one of them. And I'm just going to make splats all across where that blood at to make it look like I touched it, the blood is dripping and stuff like that. So just really get into it. I didn't want to add too much blood because if you add too much blood, it's just going to make it not look realistic. It's going to look like blood just thrown everywhere. So when you do add blood, just make it look like you have a concept. So I'm using another form of blood, and this one is a little bit more runny. I got this one from Party City. I don't remember which one, but I know it's sold separately by the costume makeup. But I really like this. When I sprayed them, like, ooh, yes, it's giving me what I want. It's giving me what I want. Y'all see it? Look at me just staring. Like, do y'all see it? Like, but yeah. You can find this blood at any Party City if y'all still have Party City still open. But now now I'm using the blood from my hands because I sprayed the blood on my hands to give it that look like, you know, like bloody cards and stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, now this is the finished look. Do y'all like it? If y'all like my video, give my video a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all finished the whole video, comment down blood emojis. See y'all later.